Hey everyone, it's Ashley here from the Recipe Rebel, and today we are making slow cooker sweet and sour chicken. It's one of our favorite takeout inspired meals. It's so easy to throw together. The sauce is thick and sweet and tangy, loaded with chunks of chicken, pineapple, and bell peppers. We're gonna start by combining all of our sauce ingredients in the slow cooker. So we have white vinegar, white sugar, ketchup, soy sauce, cornstarch, garlic, ginger, and just a pinch or two of red pepper flakes depending on if you like it spicy or not. So now we're gonna stir in our pieces of chicken, our pineapple chunks with juice, and our bell peppers. And we're just gonna cover it and let it cook. So I like to leave the salt and pepper out of this recipe until the end. Then I can taste the sauce and kind of adjust to where our preferences are. Different soy sauces have different levels of sodium, so I like to leave it out and then I can just add to our tastes. So our sauce is nice and thick and bubbly. We're just gonna open it up and we're gonna serve it over some rice, which is my favorite way. So that's how you make my easy slow cooker sweet and sour chicken. Just as good or better than any of your favorite takeout joints and way better for you. It's time for a taste test. For the full recipe and video, head over to thereciperebel.com or over to YouTube.